Bitcoin and Ethereum, what's its next move? Let's find out in the chart, shall we? Oh my God, Bitcoin, it is rolling over here. We took profits from our trade, which we'll talk about that later on. And are we going to head all the way down to here, or are we going to actually, bounce off of this area and head a lot higher? We're going to talk about that and more in today's episode, guys. I'm back. I did not do a show yesterday because I was recovering from all the party activities on my birthday. And yes, the birthday giveaway is still going on. I will be selecting somebody tomorrow who leaves a comment and has subscribed to my channel. If you've not done so, go over, subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, right? And also head to the Telegram group. You have to be in the Telegram group as well. Join the Telegram group, links in the description below. And also, leave a little bit of a comment on that video, my birthday video, and tell me what you're going to do with that whole Bitcoin if you were to win the Bitcoin. So I'd be interested to hear that. Alrighty. So don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and comment in this video as well, and share this video with all your friends. We're going to be talking about what to do now that the last trade we did has completed, right, in profit. So where do we go from here? Alrighty, and also, if you're interested in trading, you can do so by heading over to bybit.davincij15.com or femex.davincij15.com, where you can get additional bonuses so that you can, use that cash bonus to trade instead of your own money. All right, let's head on to the charts, right? Before we do, remember, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before putting your own hard-earned money into the market. All right, so let's get to the charts here. Well, as you can see, we might be forming what's called a bull flag, actually. So this is good. This is still good. You can see it right here. That's clearly we might be doing that right now at this point in time. However, there's no guarantees from the management that this thing's going to play out exactly the way you want it to, which means that it's coming all the way down to here, down to this line here, which is around about the 47,000 mark, bounce off of it, right, and then continue and break this line here and continue higher. If this line is really difficult to draw, so let's just see where I'd say right here. Yeah, so if you want to trade this, I think the best point to open up your trade on this, if it were to break to the higher side, again, is right here at this top level here of $48,200 level. That would be a significant level for a breakout trade. We talked about that earlier on, remember, right? We talked about this trade. 46,300 was the breakout level, sorry. 46,300, right? And yeah, there we go. Was it 2%? Did I say 2% risk? Yes. And then it was supposed to be 2 to 1, but there we go. And I suppose it should have been are we taking that 2 to 1? Oh, so no, that's right. We're still in that trade. So are you concerned about this? I was telling you guys to set the stop loss to break even, right? If you want, you could start taking profits here, but I really think that this thing is probably going to play out right now. So that's the current trade that we're in. And then you could also take this next trade, which is, again, you could do just once it breaks out, just 2% risk there. And there's the same thing as well here, taking it all the way up to around 50,000. Yeah, so let's just see how this plays out. We could break down, and if we do, right, you're gonna have to take your stop loss and so forth. So we haven't really taken the profits yet, objective just yet on that particular trade. Okay, so moving on to Ethereum. Before we do, right, remember, if you want to join our group, right, Telegram group, we do this video live in front of everybody. And if you want to join us, you can do so by heading over to davincij15.com and subscribing for 75% off, right, for now. And yeah, we could be a part of our group, but you can see all my trades, see what I'm trading. You see what some extra videos that I do for everybody, and in our group, and Lee does also trades for our group as well. So check out his trades. Okay, heading over to Ethereum, we can see that Ethereum, right? It's doing like the same thing. It's rolling over heavy. Let's head over to the 4-hour on Ethereum. Right here, a little bit colorful, more colorful charts, right? Indicating, disastrous return. I was a little concerned, right? Of course, both on Bitcoin and Ethereum because of the divergence that gave us a yes, should go higher, but unfortunately, normally these things roll over before the divergences roll over before they actually take off. But this one decided to create the divergence and then take off. You can see we have a divergence here from here to there. It confirmed at approximately here at this level, at this price, which is $3,400 level, and then only came back a little bit more, and then that was it. It's like, I'm off to the races, and off she went. So I think that indicates that we're finished with that divergence, but I believe that this thing will be another bull flag that is drawing out here. Don't like how steep it is, though. We'll have to wait and see, of course, because right now it's still stuck in a down channel range, and it hasn't broken out of that into either direction. So we'll have to wait and see what happens with Ethereum on the 4-hour. We can see this if it breaks, right? Well, of course, you want to take your long a little bit above here so that you can see that that this would be another 2%. I would be a little concerned about just doing only 2% on Ethereum because it loves to do stop runs, right? So let's move that up to 3% and do a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Unfortunately, it's going to be a little bit higher than normal, but that's okay. There we go. It's not so bad. And you can see that brings us up to 3,800, which is a good level because that's where, there's a little bit of traffic here where we can see that, hey, this is where price action will probably do a little bit of halting and waiting for the price to be consolidated and decide for direction, so you can usually take profits at that level. On Ethereum, okay. Once again, let me just quickly point out, I was thinking about taking profits, again on Bitcoin at approximately the 50, I think it was like the 50 some odd $5,800 level. Remember, 2%, we're going to just do 2%-ish if we take off there, and that's still close enough, 2%. And then the 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which is approximately the 50,000-ish area. Just as a reminder. Okay, heading over to the dominance. Oof. Well, it's not. We're not done yet. I mean, yes, it's broken the line, but hey, this is just a daily candle. You can see right above me, right? Bitcoin's dominance is just, strong. We need to see if Bitcoin can like weaken a little bit against the alt, because I want my alts to go up. Alts go up, please. But we can't always have a constant bull market, so we're probably going to see this thing break higher, maybe up to the 45 level, and then 44 or 44 and a half level, and then start breaking down, and then in a big way. Once it does, it's probably going to do it in a massive way. Let's just wait and see. There's a possibility of a 48% level retracement. God, let's not have that happen, because it's going to be a crypto winter. And I'll talk about it in my group. whether or not we're going to have a crypto winter soon, and decide whether or not the winter is here, right? Last time I called it, right, it was like a brutal winter last year, and yeah, but we've survived it, and we got on through the other side. Okay, well, with that said, right, that's Bitcoin's dominance is a dominant currency, but people are interested in buying other alts because they want to have that same dream of buying Bitcoin at $1, right, like I did, and seeing it going to like incredible heights and holding on to it to that point. And I understand that point, but remember that Bitcoin's the real money. It's not going anywhere. All the other coins are just, they're trying to pretend that they can actually beat out Bitcoin, but it's the first mover advantage. It has the most developers, has the most advantages over any other cryptocurrency. And Bitcoin's real. Bitcoin's here to stay, and you need to be a part of it. Boom.